Jari Ratia from Finland, welcome back to Barcelona, and you're here to defend your title. What was it like for the first squad?
Well, I didn't bowl that well actually, so the lanes are pretty easy. Actually, I'm a bit disappointed that they are so easy, because it's always been a great tournament to come here to play when it's usually a tough pattern here. Now it's more like a house shot. So.
What did you total today?
No, I just shot like 13 over or 20 over was it, but I'm gonna bowl in the next squad.
And you got a place booked for tomorrow?
Yes, hopefully I don't need it, but we'll see what happens.
What's the big problem? The corner pins?
Yeah, the pin carry is the main problem here, because feels like anybody can hit the pocket here. It's going to be a carry contest, especially on Sunday. Who will carry the most will win the tournament.
But you bowl both the tournaments, the Barcelona Open and the Catalonia Open?
This year? Last year.
Last year?
No, I just bowled this tournament. I wasn't here in summer because I was suspended.
Oh, of course, you had a little bit of problem with the federation over penalty points.
You could say
but that's all in the past now, and
you
can look forward to a good year on the tour this year.
Hopefully.
Well, we'd like to wish you a lot of luck, and we hope to see you on the winners' podium on Sunday afternoon. Thank you, Jari.